If you're driving down the road and you see a chip seal operation going on, what you need to do is pay very close attention to all the roadwork signs, as well as what the flagger tells you whenever you approach the flagger, and then follow the pilot car to get you through the work zone. You might be driving on the other side of the road, you might be driving uphill on the other side of the road, but we've got traffic control covered both directions, so just follow the pilot car and do what the flagger and the construction signs tell you. Whenever you're on a loose chip seal, the rock is not packed down in there good yet. It's in the process of being packed down. It is before we leave. But what you want to do is slow down to about 35 miles per hour, because that is the speed limit we've set for pretty much all of them that we're doing it. And that's for a number of reasons. One, your stopping distances are going to be greater with that material. And then two, it's going to prevent you spraying rock on oncoming motorists. We've got it all set up so that way, we're getting everyone through the work zone just as safely as possible.